Hello guys, welcome back to another video of how to oil measure an Audi A7. I had different demands of how to do this, so I'm gonna show you how to do this. The most important thing is that the car has to be on temperature, so it has to be warm. The engine must be warm, and then we go to the car menu. You see this menu tab buttons over here. This one is important for us, for the car. Yes, in the car menu it says I have to turn on the ignition. Yes, the ignition. Then the car system is the left bottom one. Yes. Then we go to service and control, and then we go to oil level. Sometimes it says that the car has to be warm, so you have to drive for 10 minutes like that, and then you have to wait with the engine off and the ignition on the second position. And if you wait, you'll see this, and this says us that the oil level of the car is okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Service Reset My Cars. Service Reset any kind of cars. For questions, you can use the comment area. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.